We often talk about the importance of SEO on this channel, whether in the form of Google SEO for your blog or Pinterest SEO for your Pinterest account. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about the importance of writing really good product descriptions for your Shopify store. I have a Shopify store, I sell digital products, and I do this through Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, my blog, and my newsletter. So I thought that it would actually be a really fun video to show you how I'm using an AI tool to actually create my product descriptions and how I edit them to make them feel like me. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Tailwind AI Labs to do just that. And in fact, Tailwind AI Labs will also help you to craft product descriptions that are general for e-commerce, or if you want to write Amazon, Etsy, and then of course Shopify listings, those product build outs are already in the AI Labs tool. So before we talk about how to actually do it within AI Labs, let's actually talk about the importance, 4 important points when it comes to writing your product descriptions. So the importance of your product descriptions are obviously A, they're going to get you found in search, and B, they're going to help to convert people on your website to customers on your website. And then hopefully your advocacy and your email marketing and your marketing channels in general is going to bring them back to be repeat buyers. But first, let's talk about the 4 important components of a product description. Number 1 is your brand voice. It is so important that your product description, even when written with AI, encompasses your own brand voice. Number 2, your product description should provide value to your prospective customer by telling them not only what the product is going to do, but it should sell the benefits as well as the features. So you should be informing your customer what they're going to get and how it's going to help them in their lives. Number 3, this is an obvious one, it should contain SEO. It should contain the keywords that you want to rank for on Google and elsewhere. And number 4, I'm gonna harp on it again. I already mentioned it in number 2, but let's make sure that we are selling the benefits and not just the features. Benefits are things like it's gonna save you time, it's gonna save you money, it's gonna save you in your relationships with your team, with whatever. Whereas features are, these are Canva templates. They are 1000 by 1500. They are a digital file, things like that. Those are features. Features are going to help us understand the product as a whole, whereas benefits are going to help us to understand how the product is going to change our life. Okay? Not to be dramatic, but that's what you want to do. So with that being said, I just want to mention really quickly that I'm actually getting paid to create this video. Tailwind is paying me. All of the opinions are my own. Just like every other YouTube video I've created on this channel about Tailwind, some with great outcomes and some with some criticism, all opinions are of my own. So without further ado, let's actually dive right into the tutorial and start writing this product description. And I'm going to show you while we're doing that exactly how I'm editing it and what else I'm including in the product description, as well as touching on product tags. So let's go. Let's go ahead and dive into the AI Labs tab on the left-hand side of your Tailwind dashboard. Once you are there, you are going to scroll down and look at the center column. Now, these things may change, but for now, the Shopify or Etsy listing, there's also Amazon and other general e-commerce listings here. I'm going to go ahead and go with Shopify because that is the store that we are going to write a title for today. We're going to rewrite this title for, I actually have a new boho Pinterest templates set coming out, but we're going to use this one as an example today. So we have this listing here and we want to write a product description for it. So we first need to give it the name, and I'm simply just going to copy and paste the information from my Shopify store right now, and we're going to utilize that. This target audience, this is for content creators, digital product sellers, course creators, coaches, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and input that information. Okay, so I've inputted my target audience. It's digital product sellers who are selling courses or digital products to coaches, service providers, bloggers, and content creators. Now, I do have a list of keywords already ready for this, so we are going to just hop back and forth between these two screens. I'm going to tell you more about this template in just a moment, but for now, I just want to get these keywords in here. Now that I have my keywords in there, I'm going to go ahead and put in my unique value. Now I've already outlined my unique value. I've mentioned that just previously. So I'm just going to copy and paste this unique value into this box. Hopefully it doesn't tell me there's too many words. Now my unique value is in there. I'm going to go ahead and just format this with commas so it doesn't think that these are run-on sentences. This is AI. We do have to teach it how to think for us. Now that it's formatted, I'm just going to go ahead and click Generate Shopify Product Description and wait until it's done. So while the AI Labs is actually generating that product description, let me walk you through my product description template. This is something I created for myself, and I can actually give that to you if you want. You just have to leave me a comment down below and let me know that you'd like the template. But essentially, the header component of this description, this part, is going to come from AI. Now, I wrote this description myself when I first started my Shopify store last year, like almost a year ago. This one is going to be generated from AI, and I'm obviously going to massage it a bit into my own brand voice and to make it fit what I want it to read. And then there's a few other pieces of information that are automatically going to be added in at the end. And that's this, what you'll receive. This is going to be customized based on the template sizing. I know that the new 10 Canva templates coming to me are 1,000 by 1,500. Those will be ready for my graphic designer soon. And then the bonuses that everyone always gets when they buy anything from my Shopify store is this video that is how to convert your Canva templates to PSD files. It's one of my most popular YouTube videos. And then my Pinterest strategy guide, which has also been updated for 2023. So not only are they getting the 10 templates, but they're also getting these bonus items. And then I always let them know this little disclaimer. These are for use by you, not to resell. And this is a digital product. You're not going to get anything in the mail. So let's pop back over to Shopify and see what they've created for us. So we have a product title, boho styled Pinterest templates for Canva. I kind of like that. So we're going to go ahead and copy that over here. And we're going to put that in the title box, the title spot. I'm probably going to remove the word styled and go with themed because I know that is a keyword that people are looking for. And then I'm going to copy the product description and I'm going to put it in here. Again, this is going to have some edits to it. And then it's also giving us a list of product tags that we can use. I already have tags on my Shopify store, so I feel like these tags would be good if you are creating a Shopify store from scratch, or if you don't have this type of product in your store just yet. This would be good for that. Or if you're looking for tags for Etsy, then these might be a good addition to your Etsy store. I will say I'm going to go ahead and copy these out because I do list all of my products in both my Etsy store and my Shopify store. So let's just go ahead and put those tags right there for later. Now what we need to do is actually edit this for brand voice and make sure that this sounds like me. So I'm going to pause the video, edit this, and I'll be right back. All right, let's talk about these edits. So anything in yellow is something I added, and anything struck through with a strike through line I have taken out. Essentially, these were words of theirs that I didn't like, or I restructured the sentence a little bit. So this is pretty well edited to my voice and what you would see consistent with what's on my website already. I've removed, like in this instance, the word game and the word bid. I would never say those two words. So if you are using AI and it is spitting out content that you would never say in real life, make sure you remove it because it's not worth you looking like an idiot or you looking like you're copy and pasting AI content. So go ahead and remove anything that is not something that does not align with your brand, because remember, one of the 4 components of a good product description is encompassing your own brand voice. So now that we are done, we are actually ready to put this on Shopify. Since this listing is not actually ready just yet, it won't be ready for another day or two. I am going to input this into my Shopify tracking sheet in ClickUp, and I will be ready for it when that listing, those designs are actually delivered from my graphic designer. So that is it. That's how I'm utilizing Tailwind AI Labs to write my product description. Now that you know how to use Tailwind AI Labs to generate your product descriptions for Shopify, perhaps you should dive around in the AI Labs tool and play with some of the other templates that they have created for us. I just, before I filmed this video, used AI Labs to write a YouTube description for another video. So definitely go in there and play around. And if you're wanting to know more about Tailwind, like my 2023 scheduling video or how to use Tailwind Ghostwriter for your Pinterest pins, make sure you head on over here and watch this playlist, and I will see you over there.